But today I wanted to share with you another camera that I really needed a lot, and here it is. It's a 4K battery powered camera that can be charged with solar. It connects to your 2.4 or 5 gigahertz network, and with their really high quality solar panel, you could just have this thing charging up all day and working all day and night. It's really a good combo. And this solar panel has a very long cable, so if your camera is sitting somewhere where the sunshine is not hitting it, yeah, this can go far away to access the sun. For me, this works really great in my backyard. I don't have any power sources back there, but it is nice to have that peace of mind making sure your gate's closed, you know, since your dog's going out there anytime he wants. And that's exactly what you want this for, is to put your camera somewhere where you couldn't normally put it because you didn't want to run an extension cord or you don't have any power sources out there at all. The setup with REOLINK is very easy, but it's also really secure. No one can jump on and access that information unless you share it with them. So now you can go through the app and you can see that I have a lot of REOLINK cameras at home or at the office. It's really a great overall system, being able to have all of your cameras on one app. I do like that a lot.